Okay, so I'm going to read this out loud and then we're going to talk about what you're going to do with it. So, passage 1. The earliest sound recordings were made on tinfoil. Because the foil ripped easily and sounded bad, inventors looked for better materials. Later, recordings were, therefore, put on harder metal or wax, which lasted longer and sounded better. Passage 2. Thomas Edison invented the phonograph in 1877. It played sound when the listener spun a hand crank that turned a metal tube. In 1886, Alexander Graham Bell invented the graphophone. Like the phonograph, the graphophone played sound and was powered by the listener. Unlike the phonograph, the graphophone was operated by means of a foot pedal that turned a wax-covered tube. So you need to think about those two passages, and you need to think, which one is cause and effect, and which one is compare and contrast? So, if passage 1 or 2 is compare and contrast, whichever one you think it is, you're going to put a 2 here or a 1 here, okay? So let's say that you put a number 2 here. Then you're going to take the information from passage 2 and fill it in. What is being compared and contrasted in passage 2? Put the similarities here in the middle and the differences between those two things on each side. Okay? Then if passage 1 is cause and effect, you're going to put that a number 1 here on your worksheet. Then tell me what cause is discussed and what effect is discussed here. All right? This portion you do not have to do unless you just want to discuss it with your parent.